Most people get this wrong. They assume all travel credit cards are basically the same. But the Alaska Airlines Visa Signature credit card offers unique benefits that make it a standout for frequent flyers on Alaska Airlines. Today, I'm giving you a full overview so you can see if it's worth applying for. The first thing to note is the sign-up bonus. Currently, you cardholders can earn a significant number of Alaska Airlines miles after meeting a minimum spending requirement, which can cover one or more domestic flights depending on the route. This alone can offset your first few trips. Every purchase you make earns miles, 1 mile per dollar spent on general purchases, and 3 miles per dollar on Alaska Airlines purchases. What makes this card different from many others is that your miles don't expire as long as your account remains active, which means you can save up for big trips without worrying about losing your points. Other perks include a free check bag on Alaska flights for you, and up to 6 companions, which can save a lot if you travel with family. Cardholders also get priority boarding and a 20% rebate on in-flight purchases like food, drinks, and Wi-Fi. The card also offers a range of travel protections, including purchase and travel insurance benefits, which is especially useful for frequent travelers. The annual fee is moderate compared to other airline cards, and the APRA is competitive. The card is ideal if you fly Alaska Airlines regularly or plan to accumulate miles for future travel. In conclusion, the Alaska Airlines Visa Signature credit card is a great choice for loyal Alaska travelers. Its combination of mileage rewards, travel perks, and flexible redemption options makes it worth considering. Subscribe for more honest credit card overviews and travel tips to maximize your rewards.